Hello YouTubers and jammers, it's me BambiGirl122 signing in for today on the daily video. Today I'm going to show you the secret color. As soon as it comes on, I'll go straight to my den and I will show you the secret color. I tried making a video earlier and the color wouldn't come up. Here's my stuff, my wolf, and here are the colors. I'll show you on the undercoat of my wolf. It's right here at this purple. And you pretty much come to the little corner and click on it. And it might take a few minutes. I'll try to get up as best as I can, but it's not really working out right for me. There we go.